好，来继续来看美国的总统川普发起着关税战，美国的学界甲业界拢提出着警告，讲对中国扣145%的关税，将会影响到供应链，拖累美国的经济。但是川普并无认同。
Selling us stuff. Much of it we don't need. You know, somebody said, "Oh, the shelves are going to be open." Well, maybe the children will have $2 instead of $30. You know, and maybe the $2 will cost a couple of bucks more than they would normally. But we're not talking about something that we have to go out of our way. We've been ripped off by every country in the world, but China, I would say, is the leading one, the leading candidate for the chief ripper offer.
川普认为145%的关税会让中国吃到惊。中国的国家主席习近平今早晚一定会打电话甲伊谈判。川普讲145%的关税只不过是让美国的囡仔减买几个佚佗红仔尔。结果是引起着美国网友的不满，认为川普甲老百姓离相远路，讲这就亲像法国大革命的时阵，玛丽皇后叫人民无胖就去吃鸡卵糕，同款的意思。
Hello， 我是张新文。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。